Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Gracefully EUT. On this channel, we're gonna be making multivitamin drink without no sugar. So here we have the bananas. You really need a very ripe banana, and we have carrots. We have oranges. You will need as many orange you can get or you can grab, because the water, the juice from the orange is going to be very necessary. So I didn't get enough oranges, so I added much more mandarin. So we have the apple. You really need the sweet apple or ripe apple. Green apple will not work for these. And also mangoes. You also need very ripe mango. We have the plum. The plum was also very ripe. So we also have pear. The pear are really ripe and soft. And kiwi, ripe and soft. And also we have the red and the green grapes. We also have one lime and papaya, ripe and soft. Pineapple, ripe, overripe, because I had to let the papaya and the pineapple for days to really get ripe, so that the juice can easily be extracted from the fruit. Okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start processing all those fruits in my blender, or you can use a fruit mixer, whatever is suitable for you. Blending the grapes, water won't be necessary, nor any liquid, because it has its own juice already. So I just go ahead and turn that into a bowl and go in with my apple. As you can see, I'm not playing off the apple nor taking away the core. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend everything. So I will be needing some juice or liquid for the apple to be able to blend. So I will go ahead with my orange and squeeze out the juice from my orange. That will be the juice that I will be using, or the liquid I will be using to blend the apple. So I'll be also squeezing out the juice from the lime.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose.
This juice is rich with all the vitamins you can think of.
The impression that I won't scratch your surface, and I could walk for days.
I want to say a big thank you to all my returning subscribers. I appreciate you. And if it's your first time of coming across my video and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you still waiting for? Please subscribe, like, share, comment, and let me know what you think about any of my videos you watch. And if there be any video you want me to come up with, any recipe, please kindly let me know. So now just go ahead and cut off the fruits from the plum. I'll take out the seed. Just cut them and add them to the blender. can choose to increase or reduce the quantity of fruits the quantity of fruits you're using on this multivitamin recipe. I wanted this to last for like a week for me and my family, so that is why I had so much fruits in this recipe. So you can choose to reduce it, but I advise do not reduce the quantity of orange. Yeah, the mango was a bit bad, but I got something out of it. You don't want to overblend your fruits, okay, so that it will be easy for you to strain out the fruit. Don't overblend your fruit. The only thing you want to really blend is your vegetable, which is the carrot. For you to be able to get the fruit from your carrot, the juice from the carrot, you will need to blend it properly to be able to get the juice. So I'm just gonna go ahead and peel the carrot and add it to my blender, which already has some blended fruits with juice in it, so there won't be any need of me adding more juice to an empty blender.
I need a purpose, but when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface, and I could walk for days searching for
This juice tastes even better than the one you buy from the shops. Believe me, it tastes better. The sweetness, the quality, everything self-made is better and healthier. You know, when you buy from the shops, they will tell you it's 100% natural fruit drink, but we all know it's business, right? It's business. So they will want it to multiply because the fruits they are using, most are seasonal. So most are seasoned fruits, and for them to profit, they have to add some other preservatives, sweetener, so that they can multiply the quantity of their product. Even if they say it's organic, it is not organic. As far as there is preservative, that is no longer organic. So just peeling off my papaya. You can see how ripe and soft this papaya is already, because I left it for days to really get to this stage. Just take a look at this color. So just go ahead and slice my pineapple and take out the pineapple peel. You can see how red the pineapple has become too. So I'm adding my last orange juice. So I'll just go ahead and rinse my blender with the remaining orange juice, and we are done with that. So I'm just going to go ahead and mix everything thoroughly together. When mixing, this is going to take a little time, like 5 to 10 minutes, but you want to make sure you get exactly what you're looking for, right? So after mixing enough, I'm just gonna go ahead and start straining. With this kind of quantity, it's gonna take time. It's gonna take a lot of time. So while straining the first time, please don't throw away the fruits, okay? Don't throw away the fruits from that you've removed the juice from, okay? Don't throw it away. So I'm just going to put that aside in another bowl because I'll be making use of it again. So I'm just going to keep repeating the same process. Look at that color. So I kept repeating the same process until I finished straining it for the first time. So this was what I asked you not to throw away. Yeah, you see the juice is still coming out of it naturally. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add some warm water, very lukewarm water, and give it a stir. And then I'm going to strain that again. Yes. Please do not add too much water for the juice not to lose its original taste. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and strain again after adding water. Do not add too much water, do not add excess water. If the water gets to the level of the blended fruit, then I think that will be okay. I forgot to take the measurement of the water that I added. So I repeated straining, and this is the second time of straining, and this is what I have. So you can still go ahead and add more water and strain again, but I don't want to do that. So maybe I'll be blending this for smoothie or for baby food. Yeah, I can add some rice to that and just blend it together for my kids. They're gonna love it. So I'm straining again for the last time. Here I got some smoothie. If you've been watching my video, you know I'm a smoothie lover. I got some smoothie. So after finished straining, I'm done. Done. That's my smoothie that I got. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fill this bottle with the fruit, the juice. Oh, sorry. I'm just gonna go ahead and fill the bottles with my juice extracted from the fruits and vegetables. Mind you, before I started blending these ingredients, I washed all my fruits with vinegar. Yes, I washed all my fruits with vinegar and warm water. That was what I used in washing my fruits, because I know I was not going to peel off this, take off the peel, so I had to wash them with vinegar. So I advise you do the same. If you want to use salt, you can go ahead and use salt, but I don't just want the taste different, so that's why. So as you can see, I've filled in 2 bottles, okay, but I still have more left. So I had no other bottle that I can think of in the house. So what I had to think, what came to my mind was my recycling water bottle. So that was the only choice I had to to preserve this juice. Oh my goodness. So I'm serving the last one. Juice is ready. Multivitamin juice is ready. For me to show my face, you can tell that yes, this juice was a bomb. So until next video, like, share, let me know what you think on the comment section. Subscribe if you haven't. Bye until next video.